Dear Comrade Mchinguri, RE, any procedural co-option of Tagwirei into the Central Committee. Azvipere mbozha sadabina mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi tsamba dziri kutenderedza vanhu musoro dziri kuonekwa kunzi kumusoro uko hazvina kumira mushe hakusi kudyiwa rinopisa after tiri kuona kuti kune matensions pamusoro aiwa pema-unprocedural co-option ari kuita vana Tagwirei vachirise up vanhu zvari kususpecta kuti manje manje anenge kupresidency nokuva subscribe walaikwatambebeolekwa ndivina munomuvanyipa muchinzi. I'm writing to express my deep concern regarding the recent co-option of Kuda Tagwirei with the Central Committee of ZANU-PF based on the party's constitution. It appears that this decision does not conform to the established rules and procedures. Specifically, the constitution outlines clear guidelines for both membership and leadership positions. Tagwirei's elevation to the Central Committee, despite being only a SL member, does not meet the required criteria. According to the Constitution, waivers are typically granted to individuals who have previously held security positions in government or who are government employees. Failure to observe the party's own constitution as well as the Constitution of Zimbabwe undermines the principles of accountability, transparency, and fairness. It also raises concerns about the party's commitment to upholding rules and the broader rule of law. I urge the leadership of ZANU-PF to review this decision to ensure it aligns with the party's constitution. The people of Zimbabwe deserve leaders who are genuinely committed to the principles of democracy, accountability, and good governance. Vano vachishowa the institutional structure vari kuuya vachiti aiwa munofanira kubva from cell number 1 aiwa year before elevation, branch structure number 2 kuti 2 years before election, panapano district structure 3 years before elevation, kuti DCC 4 years, provincial structure 5 years. Ndobva vachiti Tagwirei no structure no membership, vachiti aiwa akanga achingoelevatewa kumusoro uko vanobva vati use with the fully concerned citizens. Vanoyachisa CC amuri kuona aiwa vana first secretary idi mnangagwa, second secretary VP chiwenganana muhadhi obeti mupofu. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kunyorerwa zvinzi aiwa you guys fix this. Pina comment section medu timafunguro enyu mari kude pamusoro penhau iyi. Sauna subscribe like, hit on the bell icon.